I want to learn how to make the best char kway teow. It's thick rice noodles stir-fried over high heat with prawns, cockles, lapchang, bean sprouts, garlic chives, and it's delicious. I've tried many recipes online. It's deceptively easy, deceptively difficult. It's a lot harder than it looks. And whenever I try to make this at home, it just doesn't taste as good as the ones I have in the restaurants. They've got that X factor, they've got that wok hei. And I can blame it on the fact that I'm using an induction cooktop, but there's more to that. See, I'm a learn by seeing, learn by doing kind of person, and a few weeks ago, I decided to shoot my shot. See, there's this Malaysian restaurant in Sydney that's been awarded 1 hat by the Good Food Guide Awards, and I absolutely love their food. And I just thought it'd be awesome, absolutely amazing, if I had the opportunity to learn how to make this iconic dish from one of the best Malaysian restaurants in Sydney. And so, I sent them an email. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 80K. And it'd be amazing if we would one day hit 100K on this channel. And also, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It really helps with engagement and the YouTube algorithm and whatnot. Thank you. Guys, we have just arrived at Ho Jiak Haymarket. I've been at this restaurant so many times. I believe it opened in 2017, and they do a whole range of different Malaysian dishes, absolutely delicious. I have several favorites that I always kind of get when I come here. It's either the laksa or the nasi goreng or the char kway teow. In fact, I think I've talked about the laksa in one of my videos before, like I think earlier this year. Anyway, in today's video, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be learning how to make the char kway teow, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to step into their kitchens and see how they do it.
My name is Gio. I'm from Ho Jiak Haymarket. I've been working in Ho Jiak. It's about 5 years. My favorite dish I like to cook in Ho Jiak is Char Kway Teow jumbo prawn. It's one of our signature dishes in Ho Jiak Haymarket. A lot of people like, I can't find it in anywhere in Australia actually, and they coming in and then they try our Char Kway Teow. Oh, it's full of flavor, full of the wok hei. So we use some of the seafood, the Chinese sausage, we call it lapchang, and the jumbo prawn as well. The pork oil, prawn oil, and the vegetables oil, and the crispy of the pork fat is really important. Okay, so first of all, we start cooking the prawns. So we just want to get the color of the prawns, just a little bit of the cook. We don't want to overcook it because in the end we're gonna stir fry back with the char kway teow.
Got it.
We just want to get the color little bit change and then little bit cooked. That's of course it's gonna be half cooked. Okay, when it's ready, just put on the side. And then you will get the beautiful prawn oil, and then we just want to keep it. Okay, so we want to reheat the wok, and then make sure it's got a smoky, but just be careful, we don't want to get the oil is burned. And then we just put the hot pan in. So we're gonna stir fry with a little bit of garlic. So we make sure when you stir the noodle, make sure gently because we don't want to break the whole pan itself. And then we put all the seafood, lapchang, and the pork lard, cook it together. And put some prawn oil as well. So we're gonna flame it up. And we put some chili. And then this is what I say. It's
The
the secret sauce of the Ho Jiak. 1 tablespoon. Make sure you stir very well. Get the smoky from the flavor. And then we put egg. So we're gonna make thinly layers of the omelette.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we just need to spread all the egg all the way to the wok. We're gonna put some pepper, put inside Char Kway Teow. Make sure the kway teow and the egg is not stick to the wok. If stick, it means you don't have enough oil, so you need to put some oil in it. Then we put some garlic chive and some of the bean sprout. So we're gonna flip it, break the egg, but make sure you don't break the whole one. Stir fry it a bit, put the jumbo prawn in, and then 1 more tablespoon of the secret recipe of the Char Kway Teow. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna plating up.
It smells so good. This is actually one of my favorite dishes to get at Ho Jiak. It's actually this and also laksa, which I've actually done a video on the laksa here before. And I also really like the nasi goreng. We've got prawns, we've got lapchang, we've got like the flat rice noodles. I'm gonna ask Gio later if he can reveal, not like the exact portions of the sauce that he adds to it, but like at least like, you know, what are the basics of the sauce that I should add to a Char Kway Teow. Anyway, enough of me talking, let's just try it. There's a reason why I decided to skip a big breakfast for this. This is so good. There's like the crunch of the bean sprouts. We've got a bit of the garlic chives, which you add towards the very end because like they cook very, very quickly. And it's got a really nice color to it, and also it's got like a caramelized flavor. There's a hint of chili, but it's not too spicy, even for me. So I think it's gonna be fine for anybody. These noodles are extra chewy. I don't know if it's just like, you know, hor fun. There's like an extra chewiness to it. The culmination of all these things make this like the perfect dish. So I think they're gonna show me another one of their signature dishes. I believe it's a seafood dish. It's either the pipis or the crab. Oh, wow.
So make sure when you deep fry the crab, so make sure you deep fry the big one first. So it's gonna take some time to get it cooked.
What's your favorite type of flavor for mud crabs?
Mud crab. I love the chili crab.
Okay.
My second choice is Haymarket crab. It depends. Like sometimes I want to get like something like saucy, and then you can eat with the rice.
Yeah.
I gotta take a chili crab. But sometimes I feel like I need something like crispy. I take a Haymarket crab as well. It's ready. We drain the oil.
Wow.
The curry leaf and chopped chili. When the butter is brown, so make sure it's the golden brown. It's not too black color. And then you put all the ingredients, all the salted egg and the seasoning inside. A little bit of the fire to get the salted egg melted. Normally they will come the bubble. Crab. Just get it close, next all, and time to plating.
Amazing. Smells really good.
Yeah, thank you.
This is like, I think one of the first few times I've ever watched a crab being cooked from start to finish. Gio made it look very, very easy. And I do want to attempt it at home, but I think we'll start with the Char Kway Teow first. I won't ask for their secret sauce, but if I were to make this at home, what's like the typical sauces I would need in order to make the Char Kway Teow?
I think you can get it in Asian market.
Thai key? Yeah, okay.
It's a thick caramel. It's gonna have a soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
Yeah.
Just light soy sauce or
Light
dark?
soy sauce, yeah.
Light
so
soy
like soy sauce. Some seasoning like pepper, sugar.
Pepper, sugar.
MSG. And then we got the fish sauce as well.
Okay, okay.
So the sauce is gonna be salty.
Yeah.
So when you try it, the sauce is gonna be salty.
Okay.
But when you toast it, it's gonna be boneless.
Okay, just done filming at Ho Jiak. Massive thank you to Ho Jiak for letting me film. I really appreciate it so incredibly much. That Char Kway Teow was absolutely delicious. Like guys, if you come here, Char Kway Teow, chicken rice, nasi goreng, and the salted egg chicken wings. Absolutely have to try that. Did I walk past the entrance already? I have a vague memory of what that sauce looks like. Anyway, let's go check it out at Taki. I'm pretty sure I have everything I need in this bag. So we have rice noodle, we've got prawns, we've got lap chang, we've got the fish meat that we need to slice up. I also got some garlic chives, bean sprouts, 2 eggs. And then in terms of the sauce mixture, I was looking for this for a while because I've never used this ingredient before, but I did manage to find it. This is what I'm talking about, cooking caramel. I imagine this is a little bit like the sweet soy sauce. In terms of the sauce mixture, I've got all the ingredients that I need for the sauce mixture. It's just getting it in the right ratios. All right. All right guys, we've got everything prepped. I've got the fresh flat rice noodles. I really hope when I start cooking it, it doesn't start breaking apart. When I was watching it being cooked at Ho Jiak, it like stayed together really well, and I think that's just a skill that I have to learn. The first thing on this list, add oil, fry prawns, and then add the prawn heads to the oil as well. I'm very gently stir frying this. I actually had a sneaky taste test just then. It tastes pretty damn amazing. This is my attempt at the Char Kway Teow. It smells amazing. I will be sharing this. I'm not going to consume this whole thing myself. This is pretty good. Is it as good as the one I had at Ho Jiak? No, that one's very good. But I'm pretty happy with this one as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. The bigger this channel grows, the more opportunities we'll get, like, you know, going behind the scenes and seeing how to make this iconic dish. So yeah, thanks so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have any tips on how to prep fresh rice noodles to make sure that they don't break apart when you're stir frying it, I'm all ears.